Hello, Michael.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. What about you?
I'm doing great, thank you.
Thank you.
Your name,
Yeah, my name is Ahmed.
nice to meet you.
It's nice to
Where are you
meet you.
from? Thank you.
I'm from Iraq.
Iraq, okay, very nice, nice.
Yeah,
I'm from US, but I'm living in Turkey.
yeah. I I know that I had known you from YouTube. That you were with the Turkish student. Like
Ah,
I saw your video 3 months ago with the
okay.
Turkish student. So since that time, I followed you on Cambly and put you on my favorite tutor list. And
Ah,
yeah, and I tried to call you, but our schedule doesn't meet with each other
mm-hmm.
because maybe your schedule it's always maybe during a day.
Yeah, exactly. It's always
Yeah,
during the day.
yeah, and when the pandemic start, I changed my schedule to tonight at the night because you know we don't have anything to do at the morning. So
Mm-hmm.
I spend I spend all the morning sleeping.
All the mornings.
Yeah, and stay up all the night.
Yeah, the pandemic, the corona, the quarantine, it wasn't good for me because I was just cooking and then eating everything and then resting and then Netflix and no exercise. It was really horrible.
Yeah, yeah, but you are live in Istanbul, as I
Hmm.
can see in your video. So
Hmm.
yeah, do you live there in a hotel or an apartment?
I live in apartments.
An apartment.
Yes.
So do you live by yourself or we have some friends with you?
No, now I have a roommate, but
Yeah.
when I first came, I lived for myself by myself for about 9 months, but I wanted to move to my favorite place in Istanbul, the place I
Yeah.
think is the nicest,
Yeah.
and it's also more expensive, and I don't want to work more, so I decided to have a roommate.
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
Yeah, I can see because through this pandemic, you can live by yourself. That's because, like you said, it's very horrible to to live with
yeah,
yourself.
and boring. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, you have to speak with someone like daily routine.
yeah, exactly. And what's the name of the city that you are living in Iraq?
Yeah, I live in Baghdad.
Baghdad. Okay.
Yeah, actually, you are the first tutor. You are my nearest tutor here in Cambly.
Ah,
We have,
really?
yeah, we have just a border between
We have
us.
a border. Yeah, we have a border. Yeah,
Yeah, that's very
it,
interesting.
yeah, it is interesting.
Yeah,
Let's see. We have border with on the east. We have border with Syria,
yeah,
Georgia, Iran, Iraq,
yeah,
and
exactly.
Armenia. Yeah,
Armenia, yeah.
yeah.
So, do you like Turkey so far?
I love Turkey.
Mm-hmm. So, how
Yeah,
long, how long have you been there in Turkey?
I have been in Turkey for this time. I've been here for 15 months, and
Mm-hmm.
then on a separate occasion, I was here
Yeah.
for 3 months. But this time, I'm here for 15 months.
Uh-huh. So this is not your first time. You had another travel there in Turkey.
Yeah, technically, I had two more times because one time from US, I flew with Turkish Airlines and I stayed in the airport for 5 hours. Then another time I came for vacation, I stayed for 3 months.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
So just in Istanbul you've been, or you visit another cities in Turkey?
No, I've been to three other cities. I've been to
Yeah,
Bursa, I've been to
yeah.
Izmir, and I've also been to Fethiye.
So you've been in Bursa. So did you ride the telepheric?
The who?
The telepheric?
What is that?
That's something get you from down to the mountain.
Oh, okay, okay. You're talking about this kind of like electric sky carts or something
Y-
like this.
yeah.
No, no,
What do you what do you call it?
to be honest, I forgot what it's called. I
I,
forgot.
I
I forgot.
I don't know. I used to hear it. It's like telefreak.
Telephone. No.
Yeah.
Maybe I don't know. There are different names for it, but I can't think of the
Uh-huh.
name for it right now. But
Yeah.
but no, I didn't ride that. Actually, that was the first time I was in Turkey, and
Yeah.
my friend and I were just bored, and we wanted to leave the city, so we
Yeah.
went there. But I didn't like Bursa at all. I don't ever want to go there again. But Fethiye and Izmir, I could go to again. Fethiye was. Do you know Fethiye?
No, I've never been there in
Oh,
Katia.
really beautiful.
So what is
Really.
the most places there in
Ah,
Katia?
Fethiye. So I'm gonna type it. So the most beautiful thing that I saw there
Yeah.
were the Oludenis, which is called, I guess if you translate it, it's called the Dead Sea, but it was
Uh-huh.
very beautiful. Like it's the color of light blue, like the sky. It is
Oh, that's
most,
very awesome.
yeah, it's the most beautiful beach I've ever seen. And yeah, it was really, really incredible. And there's a lot of nature there also.
Yeah.
I mean, I think I saw
Yeah.
five, six uh, animals that I never saw in Istanbul there, just randomly.
Yeah. Yeah. Istanbul, it has a great nature there. Also, the weather, it's very good and very calm. But maybe in August, it's the weather. It's very hard, very hot
Yeah,
there.
Istanbul is hot, but it's not too hot like the south of Turkey,
Yeah,
or the west. Like when I was in Izmir in 2019, I
yeah.
didn't I didn't want to leave the hotel.
Huh. So,
Yeah,
which month of the year that you've been there in Izmir?
in Izmir that was July.
So, in the middle of the summer.
Yeah, very,
Mhm.
very hot.
So,
Yeah.
what is the most beautiful places that you visit in Istanbul, especially?
Hmm. The most beautiful places,
Yeah,
the most beautiful place I would say,
in Asian or European part.
maybe the Asian parts, and I would say I like honestly I like the place near my home. I like Kategory.
The
Uh,
play, yeah,
I'm I'm gonna type it.
in Asian part or European part?
It's Asian parts.
In Asian part.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is Kategory. I can walk for
Kadiko, yeah, Kadiko, yeah.
yeah. I mean, Kategory is not as beautiful as Fethiye.
Yeah.
Like Fethiye is another level
Mm.
of beauty.
Yeah.
But for living, I think Kategory is the most beautiful because, you know,
Yeah.
you have all these nice restaurants and
Yeah, it has many
all these
restaurants on the beach.
yes, yes, and also from my home I can walk there in 5 minutes to the sea,
Yeah.
and there's a park, and all along the sea there's a park, and when you
Yeah.
go there you just feel really good.
Yeah. I've been in Kadiko maybe uh just two times. in Kadıköy. Yeah, because Istanbul, it has so many beautiful places, and you have to discover more places there.
Mm-hmm.
So
What?
tell me about tell me about the currency there. And how much a $100 equal in lira nowadays?
$100 right now is 700 lira.
700 lira.
700 lira, which is really great.
Yeah. Yeah. You can do everything. I've been there in 2017,
Mm-hmm.
and at that time the lira, the $100 equal 350
Really?
lira. Yeah.
You said this was 2007?
Yeah.
Ah, interesting.
Yeah.
So, man,
But I imagine how you can make with a 700 lira.
yeah, you can do a lot of things. I mean, I guess
Yeah.
things got more expensive.
Yeah.
Things got more expensive, but it's still really, really good. You know, it's still really good.
Yeah. You can make everything with a $100.
But I am jealous that you came to Turkey when I was like 15. I didn't even know where Turkey was. I wasn't even thinking about it.
I used to travel to Turkey from 2010.
From 2010?
Yeah, from 2010 until now, I used to travel. I visit Turkey.
Okay.
I am okay. Can you guess?
Can I guess? Yes, maybe 28, 30.
Um, can you make a high?
Higher. 33?
Yes, exactly.
33. Oh, okay.
Yeah, 33.
Okay. So good.
And you?
I'm 27.
Ah, you're 27.
Yeah.
So you are still in 20.
Yeah, I'm still in 20s.
You will survive.
I'm gonna be in 20s forever. At 29, I won't go higher. I won't continue to count.
Yeah.